Hey guys, this is Dano again. I wanted to show you something that I've been working on for the last couple years, a little bit at a time. But I've been carving a walking stick for just whenever I get bored. I've got a lot of time into this. But I'll show you a little bit here. Here, let me set it down. But yeah, I hope y'all like this. And it's far from done. I've used a little bit of Dremel. I've used a little bit of chisels. I've used a little bit of sandpaper. I've used a little bit of files. I've tried lots of different processes. Right here, I actually wood burned it just to see how that turned out. But I like the bark a lot better. There was a vine going around this right here, and I was able to do a half decent job of getting this snake jaw, but I'm not quite happy with it yet. I still gotta decide what I want to do about its tail. I've got quite a bit there, excess. And then I've got some more designs down here. I don't know what I'm gonna do past here. I've noticed it looks a lot like a hoof. I wish I was a good enough artist to carve that into like a goat hoof or like a demon hoof or something that would fit the rest of the style. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you all this real quick. And if I ever get this done, I'll make sure and do a full video on it. But alright guys, if you like this and any of my other projects, make sure and subscribe to my channels or videos, or I may need all this explained to me. I'm still new to the YouTube. But any comments you like, leave me something good. And I think that about covers it, guys. Alright, thank you.